Do I need any special software or tools to recover data after initializing my PS4?
Hello, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll be addressing a common concern among PS4 owners, the process of recovering data after initializing a PS4. Initializing the PS4 is much like a factory reset, and it often leaves users puzzled about how they can get their data back. So, let's break it down.
Do you need special software or tools?
Here's the million-dollar question. Do you need special software or tools to recover data after initializing your PS4? The answer is yes and no. If you have backed up your data to the PS Plus cloud or an external storage device before initializing, then you can easily restore your data without any extra tools. But if you haven't done this, you will need special data recovery software to help retrieve your lost data.
How to recover data from backups?
Now, let's tackle the first scenario, if you've backed up your data. The PS4 has a feature to restore data from either your PS Plus online storage or an external storage device. Here's how. 1. PS Plus Cloud. Navigate to the Settings menu, then select Application Saved Data Management, and finally, Save Data in Online Storage. From here, you can download the data back to your system storage. 2. External storage device. If your data is saved on an external drive, go to Application Saved Data Management, then choose Save Data on USB storage device and select Copy to System Storage.
What if I didn't back up my data?
If you haven't backed up your data, things are a bit more complicated. You'll need to use professional data recovery software. Several data recovery tools are available in the market that can help retrieve lost data from hard drives, including your PS4s. Please keep in mind that this is a more complex process and there's no guarantee that all data can be fully recovered. In conclusion, it's always a good idea to regularly back up your PS4 data to prevent data loss in case of system initialization. Remember, with the right backup, data recovery is a breeze. However, if you haven't done so, professional data recovery tools can be a lifesaver, albeit with some limitations. Hopefully, this guide has been useful to you, and here's to more uninterrupted gaming.